So hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be talking about certain principles of money that we need to take in order to create wealth, especially if you are in your 20s or 30s. But if you're starting your wealth creation journey, even in your later years of say 40s, 50s, you can still find this video very useful. So if this is the kind of content you would love, kindly watch till the very end. But before we get into the video, kindly subscribe if you already have not, to join my amazing family now. First principle we want to talk about is not spending all of any money that comes into your hand, whether being it a gift or a salary. Learn how not to spend all the money that we have. It does not mean that we have to spend all. If you want to generate wealth, you have to, number two, which is the second principle, learn how to put aside money, which we call savings, to invest. Savings is putting aside money for a purpose, and then investing is the money that you have put aside, you put into an activity or a venture that can generate you more money. So the second principle of money is to put it is to save it first of all and then invest it to make you more money. Earlier you start saving, the best for you. So if you are seeing this video for the very first time, this is the time to start investing. It is never too late. The best time is now. No matter how old you are, this is the best time to start investing. So after we have put aside that money, we also call it paying yourself first. It's another principle of money, that we get money at the end of the month and then we budget our money, or we settle bills with our money, paying for electricity, for water, for food, for groceries, whatever expenses that we have. But what we forget to do is to pay ourselves first. That is setting aside money for our future, for our tomorrow. We always have to think about our tomorrow. So setting aside money for the future or for your tomorrow is paying yourself first. And that money is not meant to be spent for treating ourselves for enjoyment. No, it is for investment. So pay yourself first before you spend. That is the third principle of money. And the fourth and final one is that you do not make debt your friend. Debt is not your friend at all. That's why there is the need to budget your money. Budget your money according to your living expenses so that you allocate money to all your expenses. That way, you do not overspend on one particular expense so that you do not have money for another expense. So, we need to budget very, very well in order to avoid debt. I have videos about budgeting and then the cash staffing envelope system. So kindly check out those videos. If you love this content, kindly subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down there. Let me know your thoughts on this particular topic. Give me a like, and then share to friends and families. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.